What's up, idol? So for today's video, I'm gonna share to you how to reboot or how to do a factory reset on your Ninebot electric scooter. So the meaning of reboot or factory reset is a software restore of an electronic device to original system state by deleting of all the information. So the good features of reboot or factory reset is, first, if you forget your password, or let's say you buy a second-hand electric scooter and then the owner didn't give you the password, by doing this you will have an access or you can open the Ninebot app, and also your scooter can connect to the app. Okay, so the good features also when you reboot your scooter, especially when your scooter is hacked, I noticed that when I reboot my scooter, returns to original speed, which is 27 kilometers per hour. So shout out to those people who asking me how to reboot the scooters. Shout out to Miguel Togon Rufila and Nico de los Santos. Thank you so much for your suggestion on how to reboot the scooter. And also, I will not forget, shout out to my new subscribers. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated for my upcoming videos.
So okay guys, I will show you first that my scooter is hacked. Okay, so I will turn on the switch. Okay, and then I will go to Ninebot app, and then vehicle. By using a reboot, it will remove also the hack. Okay, so I will spin the wheels. So as you can see now guys, 34.4. There are two ways to reboot or factory reset your Ninebot scooter. Okay, so first step that you need to do is on your scooter. This is the first step. On your scooter. Okay, and then after you on your scooter, all you have to do is press the brake. Okay, and then next step is press that speed throttle or accelerator. Okay, so as you can see, both of them are pressed down. And then next step is press switch button to make switch off. Okay, after the scooter is off, remove your fingers. Okay, wait for 5 to 10 seconds. And then on your scooter. Okay, now let's go to the app, Ninebot app. Okay, so guys, this is the Ninebot app. So in this app, you can see connect your scooter. Okay, so as you can see guys, the Ninebot app is asking for an update. Okay, so it says here, software has been found, new firmware has been found, please update to the latest version. Okay guys, so to remove the hack of the scooter, all you have to do is update. Okay, found new firmware, master control firmware update. And so as you
can see guys, now it's updating.
Okay, so firmware updated. Press OK. Now I will check again my speed if the hack is removed. Okay. I will spin again the front wheel of the scooter to check. Okay guys, so as you can see guys, the maximum speed now is 29. Here, 28.9, 29. Okay, so it means my hack is already removed. Okay guys, so another procedure or another steps to reboot or factory reset your Ninebot. Okay, so first turn off your scooter and then hold the brake lever, speed throttle, press down and then switch on. Remove your finger and then switch off. Same procedure on your scooter. Go to the Ninebot app and then go to the Ninebot app and then connect your scooter and then update your scooter to the new firmware. And that's it, your scooter is already rebooted.
If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated for my upcoming videos. And that's all for today. And this is James signing out.
es2.